One of Walmart's most controversial tactics has been closing departments or stores rather than negotiating with unionized workers. Early 2000s in the US, when meat cutters in several stores voted to unionize, Walmart eliminated in-store butchers nationwide, cutting over 180 jobs instead of bargaining. In 2004-2005 Canada, Walmart closed unionized stores in Quebec. Canada's Supreme Court later ruled one closure illegal, confirming retaliation. These closures sent a clear message to employees company-wide: union success risks job loss. Human Rights Watch and labor law experts emphasize that Walmart's success is partly due to structural weaknesses in U.S. labor law. Employers face minimal penalties for illegal union busting. NLRB cases can take years with back pay as the maximum remedy. No punitive damages for repeat violations. As one labor researcher described it, Walmart's approach is a death by a thousand cuts strategy, legally aggressive, sometimes illegal, but rarely meaningfully punished. Walmart publicly endorses freedom of association and references International Labor Organization principles in its human rights statement. However, shareholder reviews and state comptrollers' reports have found a significant gap between policy and practice, citing decades of alleged interference with organizing rights. Notably, Walmart does allow unions in other countries where laws are stronger, parts of Latin America and Africa, reinforcing the argument that its U.S. stance is strategic rather than philosophical. Walmart's union busting is best understood as systematic, not incidental, enabled by weak labor enforcement, maintained through surveillance, intimidation, legal pressure, and closure threats. Occasionally illegal, frequently challenged but rarely punished effectively. The result is unprecedented. The largest private employer in the U.S. has successfully prevented unionization for over 60 years.